Hello again from Stockholm, and the first swim in Stockholm in September. 1st of September today is today. It is 7:30 p.m. and after I have arrived with the ferry from Mariehamn, Åland, I decided to take a swim for today to count one more beach adventure in Sweden this year. And I am now in Södermalm on this this promenade here that you can walk, run, bicycle also as well, take a bicycle. And I actually wanted to visit Solbryggan, a jetty that's close by, but there were some fishermen there that were occupying the jetty, so I decided to take a swim here, a few hundred meters from that. And I can see on the other side, on the Årstaberg side, there is also a swimming facility, jetty, so it is basically the same water. So here, if you continue along the beach promenade, you can get to Tanto Strandbad. That's also a public beach, but this is over here, it's basically the same water. And we have only 12 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out now how much it is in the lake over here. So let's then get going to measure the temperature in the water of Lake Mälaren. Can you guess how much it will be? As I'm showing you also the landscape over here. Alright, it is 18 degrees Celsius in Lake Mälaren. That sounds about right. So quite nice indeed for a swim. So alright, so let's then get going and take a quick swim here in this area of water, part of Mälaren called Årstaviken, with these rocks over here. So the entrance here is, there is like small rocks when you enter, almost like sand, but not quite exactly. And we can see also Lilleholmskajen there in the distance, and the bridge that connects, that is there for the pendeltåg, the commuter train from Södra station to Årstaberg. So yes, what else? So I was in Mariehamn obviously for the weekend, and for my birthday, that was yesterday. It feels like so long time ago, but it was only yesterday. And I'm now back in Stockholm to explore a bit more. And today's beach, the number 135 on my Sweden Beach Adventures, and we continue with the same tempo with swim every day. So yes, these greetings from this unconventional beach spot over here in Södermalm that you can see. And with that said, it is time to take a swim here in Årstaviken in Lake Mälaren from the Södermalm site. And Södermalm is one of the main islands of Stockholm, and very densely populated and popular as well, with lots of with large how to say, offer for nightlife activities, especially in the area around Medborgarplatsen and Gamla stan. So right, so let's then get going. Feels like home when I swim in Stockholm, because I live in Stockholm obviously. And yes, we have also here some few smaller ports for people that have a boat, on both sides. And I see music coming from somewhere in the distance. Some of the discotheques close by. Actually, bars that are on the water. Actually, indeed. Cool. So 1st of September. Hello, September. I already take a swim earlier today, but that was at the in Mälaren, where I was staying in the hotel. That actually was a camping slash cabin village. But here the water is much better and warmer as well by 1 degree, but still it feels that the water is so still right now, so it is perfect for a swim indeed. Cool. So it's been a while since I have been to Södermalm, but it was quite convenient to get here from the Viking Line terminal that's located at Londonviadukten. So yes, that means that we are done for this beach adventure from Stockholm for this 1st of September, and now I'm only 65 days away from breaking the record from last year. So that's like 2 months plus a few days, and I think we're gonna make it if we have great weather in September and October. Cool. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from this unusual unofficial beach. It's just I just got into the lake from the rocks over there. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.